let me present my screen. Wait a second. You all can see my screen? The Scratch window?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Assuming you can see now. Okay. So before we start, like anybody tried this thing at home? Those who didn't have the laptop, those who had the laptop or PC connection, you tried at home. It was working, not working. What is it? Any problems you have faced? Anything? Anyone? Anyone? Or nobody tried? Nobody tried this Scratch? If nobody is answering, I'm assuming nobody tried it out. They didn't even log in. I'm assuming that. Is it so?
Yes, sir.
ट्राई किया नहीं किया?
सर मेरा लॉगिन ही नहीं हो रहा है सर.
डाउनलोड नहीं हो रहा है?
नहीं सर, लॉगिन नहीं हो पा रहा है सर.
It's just that you need to log in using any username or anything. You can try different username, different passwords, and log in हो जाएगा. It's not an issue.
We can't log in using any Google ID or Facebook ID or something like that.
That's not वो option नहीं है, I guess. Option नहीं है, hence that you can't do it. You have to use your own email ID and वो सब username नया you have to create.
Okay.
Anybody facing the same issue? Anybody else facing same issue? Unable to log in? Yes, no, hands up. Okay, I can't see the response, so I'm assuming it's you can log in, but you didn't try. What's the issue? See, if you can't do it, if you haven't tried yet, then you won't be able to complete your project in this. So any issue, anything related to it, please ask me now, then we'll start.
Sir, I did try, but I made a catch game instead of this game.
You made the cat wala, that thing. You explored the whole panel and everything, right?
Yeah, I just like went through all the functions and I made that fruit catch game, the basket one.
Okay. So at least this much other folks have tried, like just exploring the Scratch windows, what all functions they have, played with the cat or anything, you created something out of it. At least that much. Rest of all did. If at all yes, then you can raise the hands at least. I can only see the one hand raising up. Two. Bus. 3. Rest 60 of y'all. Like, what's the issue? Like other folks, like you don't have laptop access, you don't have PC access. Other than that, why didn't you try? Why didn't you unable to log in, or what's the issue? Like, tell me, we'll get things sorted. Let me know. I can't hear you. Can you be please louder?
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hello.
I can't hear you, Aishwarya. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Still can't hear you. Any issue, like, raise it now. Let me know. We'll solve it. बताओ क्या है प्रॉब्लम, क्यों नहीं ट्राई किया?
Sir, can you do a fast recap of what you thought in the last lecture?
Yes, that I will do it for sure. That I will do it, but I wanted to know why other folks did try the Scratch, at least what all functions they have, what all like, I was just expecting you all can play around and try something out of it. I was not expecting you to make the game that I have made exactly the same the way it is. But the least you can do it, log in, and then try out the panel, try out all the functions that were present, and do stuff, explore stuff. That's it. If I'll be only one doing and telling you all, then it makes no sense. You should be doing along with me, or at least later after I'm done with it. Just understanding and keeping it won't work. इसमें रट्टा वट्टा कुछ नहीं मार सकता है. देख लिया, पढ़ लिया, हाँ हो गया. That's not the case in this. You have to try it out. You have to sit with a laptop or sit with any of your friend and try it out. What's happening? ये किया तो क्या होगा, वो किया तो क्या होगा. लॉगिन नहीं हो रहा है, लाइक लेट मी नो. लॉगिन नहीं हो रहा है, कुछ इशू आ रहा है, वो चीजें बता दो. यू कैन ट्राई इट आउट मल्टीपल टाइम. नहीं हो रहा है, लेट मी नो. After once you are logged in, I am expecting you to at least be familiar with the Scratch panels. You should have tried out what Scratch is, or like you should have tried out other characters that they have, what all things they do, what all background images they have, and all, what all sound we can you kind of use. At least those things I was expecting you all to do it, which like only 5-6 people have done it, I'm assuming, because rest of y'all had gave no response to it. So I want you all others folks to do it. Like today itself. After this lecture, sit. If you don't have laptop access, sit with any of your friend on a video call or something, and both of you all do it. Try it out, log in, try it out the Scratch, use all the functions they have, and try to understand what one function does. Then only you understand, and then your project, you can make that project. I hope you all know you have to make a project later on, which will carry 20 marks. So we are making learning something new, Scratch, but it is useful later on also. Yeah. So I want you all to do it today. Try it out after the session, or whenever you are free today itself. Do it. explore Scratch, log in Scratch, play around with all the functions they have and do it. Okay. We'll continue. So I will just give you a recap. Like some of the folks were not there last time or whatever for our reason. I'll give you a short recap what we did last time. So first we log in via Scratch. This is the website scratch.mit.edu, and once we are logged in, we went to create, and we can see this Scratch panel. We have different codes tagged inside different categories. Like we have motion over here that will move or make a character jump or turn around or move in certain directions on anything. We have looks, we have sound, we have events where space bar keys or keys can function. We have controls, we have if else, we have loops, forever loop, we have repeat loop, and all those things over here. Then we have sensing, where again there are mouse click, there is color change options and whatnot. Then we have the operators where we can use mathematical operations, all those things over here. Greater than, less than, equal to, and, or, not, plus, minus, all of it. Last time we also created one variable called speed, and we use that variable for our ball, which is moving continuously. So let me just play. So this is our game's progress until now. Our ball is moving continuously. Every time we click green flag, it is pointing to minus 135 direction, and it's randomly picking out x-axis from this to this and y-axis this to this. So every time the ball is starting on click of red flag, it's going to different direction, and then the forever loops happens. Move 10 steps, if on edge, bounce. It's perfectly moving around. Okay. So our ball for now is in motion, is bouncing on the edge. This is like a half work done for the ball itself. And then we have the platform. On click of right or left, it's going left to right. I am now pressing left, and it's going to left, right, and it's going to right. Even that is well done thing. Like this brief, like what we have done. There's a lot more in this game that we need to do it. So today we'll introduce one more character, which is the brick. The bricks over here, and once ball will hit the brick will be disappearing, and all those things we'll do it today. We'll also make the ball bounce from this from the platform, so that our game continues, and we'll also have a condition where if the ball goes below the platform, it's game over. Okay. So yes, we'll start. Any questions until now? Any doubts? Anything which you didn't understood or something? Anything?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. We'll continue making this game. So the first thing we'll do is we'll make this ball bounce from that platform. So if the ball touches the platform, we'll say it bounce. Okay. So we'll go to the ball and we'll say when green flag clicked. Now it is an it is like a forever thing. Whenever ball comes in contact with the platform, we want that uh, ball to bounce. Okay, so we'll use a forever loop for that. And then there is a condition if. Now in if our condition is touching, and over here we have the platform. Okay. And let's just try this. I'm hoping this might not work, but let's see. It's not working. So there's something else that we need to do. So what we did is forever loop if this is the ball, if ball touching the platform, this is our platform. If on edge bounce, but this is not working clearly. So what we'll do is we'll have point in direction. Now the last time we discussed x-axis, y-axis, quadrant, and all those things, and how those are useful in this game. Similarly, we'll do that for the ball. So we know ball can come from anywhere above. It can come from here. It might come from here. It can come from here. It can come from here. And when the ball comes, like ball comes, it will come and it should bounce. As it should bounce perfectly, making a 90-degree angle or something. We don't want कि ऐसा आया ऐसा चला गया. We want a good angle that it bounces back to. If like consider if it comes like here and it bends again like this, it's not like a good thing. If it comes like here, it should not go again here. It should go as a, it should bounce as a. That's how the ball works, right? If you throw a ball on a ground from this angle, it should move ऐसे reverse खुद के पास नहीं आता. Like So we'll do that, like point in direction, like we have touching platform, the ball touching platform, point in direction. Now over here we have to use some operators. This is our plus, this is our minus. We have the direction in which the ball is coming. It can be any direction, right? So we are saying the direction. These direction is like a predefined variable which you can consider, like which is the direction. It will be dynamic because the ball can come from any direction itself. And what I'm saying is direction. So consider this is the direction it's coming. So this imagine this is the quadrant. Over here this is like a plus plus quadrant. So I want it to do -1. So if it's coming from here, my plus x-axis, then make it minus x-axis. So over here, this I will add it to. I'm putting it over here, and this I'm adding it to 180. So what will happen? Uh, let's just make this. So ball is coming from here. This is the plus plus x-axis. This is coming from here, and I'm saying, so I'm saying direction -1. So this is the -1. So I'm making it move over here, but I'm saying plus 180 degree. So 180 degree will be like itna. So again the ball will go over here. Understood? So like it will come from here, direction -180, -1 plus 180. So eventually it will move this to this. Let's try it out. Assuming this should work. Correct. Perfect.
Yes, sir.
Nicely bouncing. Okay, so this equation is working well. This is just like an alternative for H, but they have only mentioned this, the whole boundary as H. So this is something our equation kind of a thing because it's dynamic. The direction is dynamic. The ball can come from any direction. We are saying -1 plus 180, and this angle we are saying point in that direction. If ball is touching platform, point in this equation ka answer direction. So every time the ball will come, it will consistently move in a same angle because that's how we have coded. Oh, it's bouncing. So we'll do that. Not bounce. Yes, any questions?
I added.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
I had a doubt. Can you please explain the part you taught right now again?
This direction part.
Yeah.
Okay. So, so we tried out. We wanted this ball to bounce from the platform, right? We wanted this ball. If before the ball was not bouncing from the platform, so the game was not that good. So we wanted ball to bounce on platform. So hence, what we did is whenever, like in forever loop, if the ball touching our platform, we want ball to bounce. We tried adding if on edge bounce condition, but clearly it's not working. Clearly it's not working out. It's not working out. So for that we made a equation. Now that equation, you can say it is our inner bracket is a direction. Now this direction can be any direction the ball will come. It can be any direction. We are saying take that, for that instance, direction which the ball is coming minus multiply by -1. So the quadrant which we have, let me draw a quadrant. Wait. Mm, let's make. चलो, we'll make यहाँ पे. So we have, this is our quadrant. ठीक है? So consider this as our platform. This is our platform, and consider this as a ball. What we want, the ball is coming in a direction. We want this ball to hit the platform, and we want the ball to bounce back. This is what we want. Okay. Now we know ball is coming at a direction, but it is a random direction every time it's coming. So what we have done, we have took a direction from that ball, which will be dynamic in nature, and we are saying multiply that direction to -1. Now this direction will be -1 to this. Like this will be our multiplication thing. Direction direction into -1 and plus 180. Like plus 180. So eventually it will go from here to here. So that is what we have wrote. Direction into -1, and the whole this thing we are adding it to +1 plus 180, and we are saying point in that direction. So the ball will come and will bounce. Understood? Still doubt? Yes,
No,
no?
sir. Thank
सर
ठीक है. हाँ,
सर सर
बोलो
सर
बोलो.
ये -1 x एक्सिस का है
हाँ,
और 180 y एक्सिस का है.
नहीं वो भी एक्स एक्सिस का है.
सर फिर बॉल की हाइट कैसा वो करें, मतलब कितना ऊपर जंप करना चाहिए.
that is the moving na in matlab it's moving anyway. Understood? Like still confused क्या?
हाँ हाँ सर.
Your your ball is moving. The y-axis we have made it constant, and only our concern is x-axis because we are keeping y as a constant because x में ही you can explore or we can make the ball move ऊपर नीचे. So we are only majorly playing with x and not with y. We are playing x and we are saying move 10 steps, move 10 steps. Wait. Like when we play with only this x, we can make the ball move upar niche with the move 10 step, move 10 step, and if ball is bouncing, then it will come over here. Again, यहाँ से bounce, it will go over here. ऊपर नीचे जाना is not the concern, but यहाँ वहाँ जाना, that is the thing. थोड़ा बहुत समझा अभी कुछ?
हाँ सर समझा.
हाँ. We have like a move 10 step which is in a forever loop. It is going making it move, but y-axis we have kept it like dynamic in nature. X is constant. मतलब ज़्यादा उस पर ध्यान नहीं दे रहे हैं.
सर -1 और 80 यही दो नंबर है जो ले सकते हैं. इसके अलावा कोई और?
We can try. Wait, we will try. So if at all we'll take like a 120 degree. Let's take a 120 degree and let's play it out. What's happening? Let's see. Wait. You saw that? कैसा गया वो?
हाँ सर.
हाँ. See. Actually, no, this thing is against the nature itself. मतलब ऐसा गुगली बॉल नहीं डाल सकते अपन ऐसे गेम में. That is the thing. In our daily life, we experience things. What we experience is something we wanted over here. Just a second. Huh? Yes. So, huh. So in itself, it's not like an experience that we see daily in life. We want that perfect bounce from that. If at all, let's say we had 150. Let's take 150. Let's say. Again, this is like it's coming from a angle, but the way it's moving. अरे हाँ, the way it's moving, it's not ideal. Hence the 180 we have kept. You can experience like just bounce your ball if you have any ball, like bounce it on the edge at a different angle and see how that ball will react. So with that, this is the perfect like bounce. If at all the surface is plane, if the surface is not plane, yes, it can move in a weird angles. So yeah. Any more questions? I hope. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Any more questions? Like doubts कुछ है और पूछना? Like we can experiment everything. Like पूछते रहो ऐसा कुछ भी. Y -1. Let's take -2. हाँ, ले लो -2. हाँ.
Sir,
हाँ.
sir, what if we change this -1 or -2?
हाँ, that's what I've done. So it's going to a straight this thing. Now it has been straight forever. Like you can see, it won't go to other this direction only. This is now stuck in motion like forever. यहीं घूमता रहेगा ये अभी. Legit. So yes, -1. Like while I was making it, so I have done कि अरे कुछ और try करते, try error, and then I came to this equation. So this you can change it. You can keep like -180 to +180. This is any random number which I have taken. This again you can pick any. Like नहीं ये तो ठीक है. Let's take a -75. Why wait 1 second? Let's take 1 second. 0.5 क्यों रखना है? Yeah. Any more doubts, question? Tell me. We'll jump to next part. नहीं तो. Okay, we'll jump. We'll make now bricks are the next character. Take a rectangle. We don't want outline. We'll take yellow. Take yellow. Chalo. Take yellow color, and we'll make small brick. For now, we'll call this 1 because we will have n number of bricks. We'll make this brick. ठीक है. So once we have done with one brick logic, or if what we have to do is just copy paste other bricks logic. We can form any shape, like we can form any shape like as a V, or we can make a some letter or something. Any shape we can make it out of this brick. So we'll make just one brick first. We'll uh, code, or we'll put the logic for one brick, and later on everything is copy paste, because it's the same logic that will go on for other bricks also. Okay. So yes, tell me, ये brick क्या करेगा पहले तो अभी है. What this brick needs to do?
बॉल को ऑब्स्ट्रक्ट करेगा.
Ball को obstruct करेगा. No. So
As
so
a
sorry.
block the ball or it will act as an obstacle.
Lock the ball. So now we are making it like whenever this ball hits the brick, our score will increase, and the brick will disappear. I don't know you have played this game or not, but this is the game logic. Once all the bricks are done, it's like you win the game. That is the logic of the game. So this is the brick will go hit the brick, and brick will disappear. Points will get updated. That is the logic. So what we want is the ball. We'll go to events. When click green flag, in forever loop. Forever loop. No, actually, before that, say show. Show in forever loop. If condition, if our ball, we are in brick, we are saying brick touching ball. This is our ball. Brick touching ball. In looks, again we say hide. That's it. Show, forever loop, if, hide. खत्म. इतना ही लॉजिक है. We'll try to it. हाँ. Nice.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. But we also want score board now. So let's make another variable. Make a variable score. So we say so whenever ball touching the brick, the brick will hide and change score by 10.
Sir, we have to individually add all bricks, sir. Like you added brick 1. We have to
Hmm?
individually add as many bricks as we want, or
Yes, yes.
automatic is there something?
No, you have to manually add as many bricks as you can. Jitna bhi chahiye, you can add it. So that's the thing we'll do now. We have completed our brick code. We have written when the green flag is clicked, show in the forever loop if brick touching ball, hide, change score by 10. So we'll just copy paste for this for brick 2, brick 3. We'll make as I asked. Duplicate, make asked as a duplicate, duplicate. We'll add one more duplicate.
Can we decrease the gap between two bricks?
That everything you can do it. This is just for my understanding.
Will the code will also be copied or just the
Yes,
structure?
yes, yes. The code will be also copied. You can say I'm in brick 2, brick 3, the same code over here. It is the same code. ठीक है? So let's play. क्या होता है? See. But now that all the bricks are disappeared, we have the ball has touched all the bricks. Now it should come out. You win, you lose, whatever that thing. That is one part that's remaining. But there's something else for the game experience that needs to be done. Like let's play a game. Can you experience something? We'll play it again. Anybody can tell what needs to be done, like just to make game thoda or not so easy, thoda time consuming type. What can we do more?
So the ball does not hit the platform wala thing. Like you.
Ball, that below we need to configure. If the ball touches below surface from the platform, display or stop the game and you lose.
We can also do when the
That we
time
need to do.
increases. We can also do when the time increases, then the speed of the ball also increases.
Those things we can do it. But for the basic fundamental thing, uh, like if when it, sorry, yes. So ball needs to bounce from the brick. Now, when you see the ball covers like most of the bricks in one go itself. It covered like a 4 in one go, so it is not again a good experience. अरे ऐसे कैसे एक साथ खत्म कर लिया ये तो. So we'll say, so this is our platform bouncing when the ball bounce touching platform, point in direction. So we'll just copy this thing inside the ball. So we'll say ball touching brick 1, copy, ball touching brick 2, copy, ball touching brick 3, copy, we have a lot of space. We have a lot of space. We'll do brick 4, copy, brick 5, copy, brick 6, copy, and we'll say brick 7. So as per our code, ball will bounce from any brick. That is हो गया, हो गया, हो गया, हो गया. Yes. Yes. It's not going in a one go. ठीक है? So this was a little change and थोड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है. We are reusing again our if on sorry bounce वाला code again and again for different bricks, and we are good to go अभी तक. Cool. Any doubts? कुछ? Any
No,
doubts?
sir.
Okay. Now we'll do that you win, you lose situation. Now that our game is almost ready, like this is like a 80-90% ready. We just need to add you win, you lose. Then it will be like a full-fledged game ready to play. Also, one more thing, if you guys noticed, the score is not getting updated to 0 every time it's new game. It is adding up. So that is also one thing which we need to do. It's just adding up. You know, 400. फिर से नया game, then it's starting from 400, 410. So this is also we need to fix. So we'll do that. So when clicked, we'll do it inside the platform itself. यहाँ पे थोड़ा खाली है जगह. It doesn't matter anyway, but you are saying set my variable which is score to 0. Started from 0, 20, 30, 40, 50. ठीक है. Again starting from 0. ठीक है. Working fine. अच्छा, tell me what will be the win situation? We all know when the lose situation is. If ball touches the ground, you lose. What's the win situation? बोलो बोलो. Hello. Tell me, what's the win situation? When will this level or game will
When all
be?
bricks are covered.
When all bricks are covered. But for us to configure, we will say when score is above 70. We have 7 bricks. We are saying change score to 10. So each bricks contains 10. So if score is 70, that means all the bricks are done. So we'll say ki when it's equal to 70, or we'll say it's more than 60, you win, and we'll also do the you lose situation now. So first let's do you lose. So as we know, this is our dashboard, and below the dashboard we want that. So what we'll do now, we'll make white. Let's do black then. So black color only. No, black color. So this is our that you lose. So loss. We'll say when clicked forever loop. If ball should touch, ball touching, we'll also write down the you lose. But for this, we need to say 1 second. There's a one broadcast. This is like a broadcast message. So wait a second. We'll do again one thing. We'll make another one. We'll write game over. Game over. Uh, say game over. So initially we don't want this to come. So we'll hide this thing. When clicked, hide. And then we are saying over. Stay with me. I'll explain you what I'm doing. Just let me configure this first. Okay. So there are two things. So there are two things. One is the condition, like the ball. If the ball touches this bottom line, we are saying if ball touching bottom line touching ball, broadcast over. And over here we are saying when click, initially don't show, hide it, and then when I receive over here we are saying broadcast over, and over here we are saying when I receive over, show and stop the game basically. So game over.
Is over a new variable?
No, over is not a variable. It is just to communicate between two characters. For example,
Show how you took that, like how we selected that.
so we have added one message over here. So we have said over is a message, and we are saying broadcast over, and over here we are saying when I receive over. So over here we have said ki when you need to broadcast over message is when platform the bottom line touches the ball, like you can say broadcast over. And in this variable, in this character you can say initially hide it, and then you show game over message when you receive over. So condition we have mentioned over here, uh, when to happen, but things that we need to show and when that needs to be shown, we are saying it over here. So this is like a two different thing, but we are combined it. We are with the message over. Understanding, not understanding, confused.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Understood.
Yeah. So basically now what we can do, like this is for a better this thing. Like we can have like a background image or something, like we can say game over, or maybe we can animate this thing, or we can have it like a duck going or anything. So basically this is the display for that, and this is just the condition when we need to show uh, when the game needs to be over. That's the condition, and this is the message that we are showing it out loud. So similarly we will do for the game you win situation. You win situation will come from somewhere else, but the display will be some like else. So over here we have said when click set score to 0. So in this only we'll say in forever loop, if the score equals, so we will add our variable score equals 70. Just give me 1 second. Yes. So we are saying score equals 70. We have 7 bricks, 10 score for 1. So 70, and over here we'll say broadcast. 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 And then we are creating a new message. Win. Okay. And then we'll create another this thing. You win. Okay. And now the same thing what we have over here will go in this, but the condition will be thoda different. Like when clicked, initially hide, then when I receive win, show and stop. Easy. Uh, oh, our finally game is completed. So we have done everything. We have made the ball, made a platform, bricks, lose condition, win condition. Full-fledged game. Now in this, like uh, uh, just to enhance our game, we can do all those different things. Increase the speed, or we can do something coming out from a brick. And if that we catches that thing from our platform size increases, and all those things we can do. That is just to enhance. We can have levels in this, like you win, and then next level will come. Then next level will be something different. We can also do once this brick, we can have a different brick which will be different in color from other bricks, and to break that brick there are 10 times or 5 times ball needs to touch that brick. So every time a ball touches that brick, the color changes, and at the end, it comes to yellow. And once it touches the yellow, it is like it will disappear then. So all those conditions will make the game more interesting, challenging, and you can like completely think of much more things to do in this. Like you can change the background, or you can do some levels in this. You can bring some new characters in this. Anything. You can make something flying from like a rocket or something. If that rocket touches the platform, you can say game over. You can say like all those different things.
Better luck next time.
Yeah. Better luck next time, or we can say level 2, continue level 2. We can say all those things. मतलब कुछ भी कर सकते हैं इसमें तो. Any doubts? Anything else? So this is like a whole. This is like a whole code for brick. This is whole platform. This is brick. Same brick. Lose. Game over. You win. Like understand the small things in this. Like what if we didn't added hide content? So every time it comes game over, it won't go. The next time it is there, just there. So this is not again a good experience. So small things needs to be configured well enough, and when I'm configuring those things, at what level, at what sequence I'm configuring it, that is important.
So can you please show the codes again?
Sorry.
Can you please show the codes again, like for the ball for platform?
What I will do is now I will I can mail you all the codes. So at least this is something which you can have and you can refer to while you're making the codes. Or if you want, you can take a screenshot now. Will that work? Directly taking a screenshots or?
Yes, sir. You taken screenshot will work.
ठीक है. Take the screenshot. This is for ball.
Yes, sir. Done.
This is platform.
Done, sir.
This is one brick. Same applies to other.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Game, anything you didn't understand or anything?
We have to make this only game, or we can make any game.
Obviously not this one only. Because ये तो हो गया, ये तो बना दिया.
Okay.
Some other only.
Game over and
हाँ
lost.
हाँ.
Okay, I want to take
Game
screenshot.
over. So this is you win, and this is game over. Any doubts in this? Anything? पूछ लो. We have like covered majority of the things, the functions and all. Some functions you will discover while you're making some game. You can try it out. There is color changing. There's one, but the main thing was to use Sketch and to use the basic knowledge of quadrants and all, and make a game out of it. That was the main intention कि ऐसे ही गेम नहीं बनता, कुछ लॉजिक वो सब होता है. तो विद दैट even this equation is like easy now, but to try it out, from to think from start, it's difficult कि कैसे we end up. So for this we have to have a look like a end goal कि what will be the end goal of it. Acha, well, end goal is to bounce it perfectly, then step by step, maybe with errors and trial and errors, we'll come to the point where we can have a equation that's satisfying the conditions. And but I'm not saying कि पहले ही ट्राई में आप कुछ नया गेम बना रहे हो, पहले ही ट्राई में सारे लॉजिक्स आ जाएंगे. You need to practice, you need to try it out, you need to think first कि करवाना क्या है. Then by breaking those things, you will end up to your goal with their logic. First, like you're making some game or some animation, like stimulation or something, you need to visualize first, you need to imagine first what will be your end goal. Make it simple first, like this is that will just enhance more, it will make more challenging game, it will make more better game for player to play in. But first have the fundamentals ready, have all the characters ready, what each character will do and all. This is like a basic base one ready. Levels you can do, then different what do you call challenging elements you can add in. This is like a base thing to understand. So whenever you're visualizing any game, like have a base of it. So now again, after learning this, if you go back and play any of your game, like let's say you play PUBG, you play COD, Mario for that instance, the way you see it will change. Like you will understand what that developers have done to make this whole game possible for you all to play. Like consider for the fact that to right, that is like an x-axis. He's jumping on click of a space bar or anything. He's jumping, and that hand is coming when he jumps. So hits any bricks, something comes out, and if that something comes out, if that and the Mario touches, turtles moving in the x-axis directions. And again, if Mario jumps on that turtle, then the turtles go down to hell or something. So all those things, when you play, you will have a very different view. You will have a view of a developer's view, not a player's view. Small thing, but
Sir,
developer ने
voice
वो चीज
crack.
configure किया है. Sorry.
Your voice is cracking.
So yes, next time, like in a day, whenever you play a game, let it be a Mini Malaysia, let it be a Mario, let it be any developer's point of view. How he made that thing, how he thought of that thing. Yeah, this is a very interesting thing. It is very interesting to.
Sir, still clearly not audible.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hope I'm audible. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So yes. So two things. Like you have the codes. If you don't have it, uh, mail me. I'll share all the codes. You can try it out this game. Try it out.
So can you share your mail ID in the
Laptop
chat?
access. Sit with your. Can you please write it now? It's Y P Kona K. .com. Repeat.
Sorry?
ONA. It's Y P K H O N A.
Yes. YP Khona.
So you're not audible again.
Hello, I'm audible.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Now.
Sir, you can put in chat now.
Those who didn't get it, please, those who have the email ID, share it with others.
Sir, I only heard till YP Khona, sir. उसके आगे क्या है सर YP खोना के लिखने के बाद में?
Via that email ID. If there's no more questions now, we can wrap this session over here.
So can you please repeat the last part?
If any, hello.
Yes, sir. Sir, you are not audible, sir.
Hello. One second. Hello, am I audible now?
Yes, sir.